Mesh ball. So good. Whoa. Two of my favorite colors. Will they stick to the wall? Crunchy ones. Whoa. Orbeez. Whoa. I love these. Last stress balls, color changing. Comment what you think this is going to change to. 3, 2, 1. Pink. So good. I love it. Next stress ball. Comment down below now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is purple and it has a different texture. It's like slime in it. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. This is water. This is slime. It's still rising. I love it. Let's see if they would stick. Red to pink. Whoa. Blue to purple. My last item isn't really a fidget, but it was just too cute, so I had to take it. It's so cute. I guess it's kind of like a fidget because it's really squishy. Now I'm going to rate them on a score of 10. First, the two crunchy squishies. I'll rate them a 7 on 10 because I really like the little spikes right here. They feel really good on your fingers. But they could have added maybe a liquid inside because it's kind of hard when you squish it. Next, the Orbeez stress balls. I'll rate these a 9 on 10 because they feel so good when you squish it. And the colors are really pretty. I like this one. Mesh ball. This one is so pretty. I love the colors that pop up. And it feels so satisfying while you watch it and press it. The metallic is so pretty. Next, the stress balls. This one, since it has water in it, it's different than this one. I'll rate this one an 8 on 10 because I love how the colors change and how it sticks to the wall. Next, the blue to purple. I'll rate this one a 9 on 10 because it feels so good when you squish it. And you can kind of feel the slime in it, and the colors blue to purple is so pretty, and you can stick it to the wall. Last but not least, this little cute plushie. I rate this a 9 on 10 because it's so cute and it's so squishy. Here are all the things I bought, and I'd say that this video was a stress ball video. I love stress balls, they're my favorite fidgets. I'd say my favorite balls of all from here are these. They feel so good. And this is just too cute. Like and subscribe to not miss more fun videos like these ones. Bye!